What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be ranking Roblox Rivals weapons. So first of all, we have the assault rifle. Now this one is a little bit weird in a way. As if you have good aim, this will be very good. But if you don't have good aim, this is useless. So for that, I'm gonna put it in A tier, and it's a very fun weapon to use. Then we have the bow. Now the bow is a melee weapon. I really don't like it, but it isn't. It is bad, but it's not that bad. So I put it in C tier. Burst rifle, I'm not even gonna explain. It's like basically assault rifle. Crossbow. If you have very good aim, this will be the best weapon for you. But if you don't have aim like me, this weapon is so freaking trash. So I'm gonna put it in a B tier. Gunblade. Gunblade, I know some people are very good with it, but I hate it, so I'm gonna put it in C tier. RPG, D tier, because if you use this weapon, you're so trash. I do use it, but it's when the arena gets picked. Shotgun, it is a very good weapon for close maps, but for far range map, it's not that good, so I'll put it in B tier above crossbow. Then sniper, if you good aim, it's gonna be very good. So I'm gonna put it in A tier, no questions asked. Energy rifle. It's not that bad, but it's not very good. So I'm actually gonna put this one in C tier, uh, in front of Gunblade. Flamethrower. This is also like a shotgun. Close range, very good. Far range, not that good. So I'm gonna put it in bottom of A tier. Grenade launcher. It is basically a RPG, but better in a way, so I'm gonna put it there. Minigun, it's very bad in my opinion. I'm gonna put it there. Paintball gun, S tier already. It's very good for like long range. It's very good for any map. But if you don't have aim and it's kind of weird the cross aeration, yeah, I'll just put it in S tier cause if you're good with this, you're very good. So yeah. And now we have um the handgun. The handgun is not a very good weapon, so I'm gonna put it in C tier. Daggers. This one is weird as well, cause it's very good for movement. I can do a little bit of damage. It's just weird that I throw it. Gonna put it in A tier. Flare gun, it's a melee weapon. I'll put it in B tier. Revolver is tier, as it's very good. And short tier, I'm gonna put it in bottom of A tier because it's very bad on long range attacks. And now we have the spray. The spray is not actually that bad in my opinion. It can block riot shield and stuff, so I'm gonna put it at B tier. I almost got front. Uzi, this weapon is okay. I'll put it in B tier. It's basically like the energy pistols, and now we get the H tier good aim. If you have good aim, it's very good, and it has infinite ammo. It doesn't do a lot of damage, but the fire rate is very good. So yeah. And then we have the Exo gun. I'm gonna put it in A tier. I really don't like this gun, but it is actually pretty good because it's gonna block riot shield. The Sting Short, I'll put it here. It's a okay weapon, but it's not the best that you can get for secondary. And we have the first. Let me quickly just arrange this. Okay, and then we have the first. Good movement. Not good for damage. I'm gonna put it in on top of a B tier. Battle axe is not that very good, so I'm gonna put it in C tier. Chainsaw, it's actually pretty good on close range maps. I'm gonna put it in B tier. Actually, I will move this up because a lot of people are good with it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure Katana cannot block it. And now we get to actually to Katana, and I'm gonna put the. It's very useful to shoot this. So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put it here. And then we have the knife. It's a S tier. Best melee, and if you're good with it, it's very good. Riot shield. We're gonna put it in C tier. I'm gonna put it here. You can deflect bullets and everything, but it's so annoying, and you can just RPG it away. But most people don't use RPG, so I'm actually gonna move it up here. And then the scythe. The scythe is a very good movement weapon. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in uh A tier. Yeah, A tier. And trowel, it's a bad weapon. I'm gonna put it here. And the grenade, ooh, this good movement, can do very good damage. I'll put it in front of shotgun. Flashbang, D tier. Fushay is it's not that good. I'm gonna put it here. Molotov is I'm gonna put it. Molotov is not that bad. I'm gonna put it here. Satchels are not a good either. I'm gonna put it here. Smoke grenade. Um, 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 Smoke grenade is easily there. No questions asked. And Warhorn, I'm gonna put it up in uh with a S tier because it gives very good movement. Now we're down to the last two. Medkit, it's very good. It's very good. So I'm gonna put it here in A tier. I mean, I want to put it in A tier, but I think that's gonna be controversial. Subspace Strip Mine, easy A tier. It does so much damage, and yeah, that's my ranking. If you guys want to see more of this stuff, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.